Now, how you can make your first $500 to $1,000 per day with Clickbank affiliate marketing using paid traffic, basically Facebook ads or Google pay-per-click ads. Now, in this video, I'm going to go straight step by step, and you will exactly see behind the scenes how this is done. So let's go straight into it, okay? So if I go out here from Clickbank, right, I will go over here to my Instagram where you can find me later, right? You can reach out to me later, but let me show you exactly how you can do this. All right, so the first thing you have to remember when you're setting up landing pages with ClickFunnels or promoting anything on Clickbank is, this is the biggest secret most gurus are not sharing with you, which is this. There are 5 stages of audience awareness levels. What do I mean by that? As you can see on my screen, most of gurus, when you buy a course, what they do, they teach you to copy and paste the same sales page or lender copy for each and every audience the same. So we have females, we have males, we have different age brackets, right? And when we have unaware audience, problem aware, solution aware, and product aware. You see, we have different stages of audience awareness levels, and that's why you're not getting sales, because you're promoting the same, you're using the same copywriting, the same copy for the same different audiences, right? So we have different audience across the same across the network, ad networks like social media and Facebook, right? And they are scrolling through and seeing the same ad, the same landing page, and they are different target audience. And that's why you're losing out on tons of cash that you're leaving on the table because you don't know what you don't know, right? So for each of those audience, you have to have different copy, different targeting. Now let me show you here, right? This is the secret. This is the key. People don't buy when they are in problem when they are in problem state. They buy when they are in solution state, right? So the key here is to get your audience into the solution state, and that's what's going to move the needle for you to allow you to naturally get more sales, right? So as you can see over here, why you right now watching this video is having such an unfair advantage is because most of the people, I would say 99.9 affiliates on Clickbank are all competing. You can see over here, right, for the solution states. Over here, 80%. And audience size is really small, maybe 30 to 50,000 people right now as you watch this video are in the solution state. But what most people don't know how to do is pre-sell and get humans into the from problem unaware to the solution state. So if you can do that, you can see competition is only 10% and audience size is 70%. So maybe 7 to 20 million people that you can go and acquire, right? And get much more better results than competing like everyone else for these solution aware state audiences, right? Because we have low emotional and high emotional states of our target audience at any given point. So let me show you here how this is done, right? With Facebook ads, it's all about attention with intention. So when we have attention, right, someone sees your ad, it's not enough. What is the second deeper layer is intention. They have to have buyer's intent. And that's why we're calling them buying leads or buyer's clicks. Because you pay $1, as I'm going to show later, I'm going to show how quickly you can, how fast you can make money with affiliate marketing if you do it this way, right? Because most people are just running ads and they're waiting, right? For someone to say, oh, I have a problem, I want to buy your shit, I want to buy your product, right? And it doesn't happen that way. That's why they are losing on tons of cash, right? Let me show you here, right? What is my strategy? What is our strategy? Is that because most quiz funnels or most landing pages, right, are just there to identify a customer. That's it, right? But what I do differently, what we do differently here is we capture them first in an information seeking stage. It means like this here ads our quiz lender, right? Second stage is we put them in the problem state using functional questions, right? And then when we go through that, we move them to the solution state where they're presented with a solution. So I use this from my Facebook group when I'm showing with some of my students, and this is what I'm teaching. This is what I'm training you to do, to become a professional marketer where you can move people, we can move different stages of awareness and get commissions very easy, right? So let's look at this math. Let's say that we are promoting an offer on Clickbank, right? And you can see over here, right? Let's say the daily ad spend is $50 and we are paying $1 per click. So I mean we're getting 50 clicks for $50. And then our conversion, let's say it's only 5%. Usually it's 9 to 12% at the minimum on low ticket front end Clickbank products. So it means, let's say we're getting 2.5, let's say 2 sales for $50, right? And then upsell, which is $150. So total earnings is $300. It means per sale we get $150 with upsells, and profit is $250 in a day. How much have you spent? You spent $50. How much you made back today? $250. So profit is $250. Let's say then you spend $100 a day because you see, okay, it's working. I will do it. I will scale my budget. I will increase a little bit my budget, and you're getting 100 clicks. Same still, 5% conversion rate. It means only 5 sales in a day. You earned $750 in revenue, and what is your profit? $650. Now keep in mind, this includes upsells, because if the upsell take rate is really high, it means you can profit from the same customer over and over again, and you don't need to have a lot of sales to make a great money, to make a great profit. Okay? So this is the math, how it works. Now, what you can do is, you can do it always, you have a choice. You can do it alone, like I used to, right? You can do it alone and then do all the work yourself. You can spend thousands of dollars on split testing different ads. You can get your ad account shut down and then wait months to get it back, right? You can do all the mistakes on your own if you want to and lose more money on ads, right? Because you don't know what you don't know. Sometimes the headline is not working, other times the ad copy is wrong, other times the messaging is incorrect, right? And another choice for a smart person like you watching video is to get one-on-one help. Now, how this works is you can generate around, let's say, $2,500 in your first 7 days in profit, right? By basically copying and duplicating what's working. And then there is no trial and error because it's all done for you and done together with you, so you can watch it one-on-one exactly how things are properly done, so you can become a great marketer and do it in 20 to 30 minutes a day, all right? It really doesn't take that much once you're up and running. So that's the choice, right? Now, let me show you the math behind if one person buy the whole funnel. Let's say that this is our entire funnel cost. What do I mean by that? On the front end on Clickbank, you get $47 commission for first product, then you get $97, $197, and downsell for $67. So it means the whole value is $408. All right. Now, you on Clickbank are earning 90% affiliate commissions. So it means if one person buys the whole funnel, you make $367 in one day from only one customer. Why? Because as you can see, one person, most of the people are habitual buyers, right? They just buy, instinct. They don't think about it because it's a really low price and they are used to buy. Just go and Google, right? Just go and Google e-commerce, online e-commerce, personal development, self-help, Tony Robbins, courses and books. People are buying those info products, digital products every single day, right? So why don't you take advantage of that and leverage for yourself so you can make some of that percentage of that commissions for yourself, right? So what you can do now, the actions that you take today will dictate where you are in the next 30 days. Where you're gonna be, right? You can do it yourself. You can leave this video, do nothing, keep doing the same things that you were doing before and yesterday and expecting to get the same results. Or if you're smart, and I know you are because you're watching this video, you can take action for yourself and actually get someone to help you to get the results, to get set up and start in getting some results, right? Because it's all about asking smart questions. If you ask the right questions, you're gonna get the right answers. Okay, so that's the most problem that we had with people not asking the right questions and procrastinating, making excuses on why they don't have enough money to get going, right? It's all possible if you take action and you can see the difference and bigger picture of what is possible now for you, all right? So what you can do next is you can connect with me personally. There's my Instagram, as you've seen before. There is my Facebook, my personal contact number, phone number, okay, on WhatsApp. you can find it all in the description below. All right. So as you watch this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and all the links are in the description below.